three biggest milestones that we've seen so far this year include the finishing of the canopy structure, the closing of the station box, and the commissioning of one of the official pedestrian elevators. Hi, my name's Joshua. As of the start of 2025, I am the new area engineer for the Woolloongabba station. The process of installing the canopy structure was a monumental effort. It involved the lifting of three major structures with a very sizable crane, lifting that into place, connecting those three structures together, hoisting them onto propping towers, installing the canopy columns, and then removing the columns. Now that we've got one of the elevators installed and commissioned thanks to the watertightness of the closed station box and canopy structure, we've now been able to start to remove one of the temporary elevators that's situated in the tunnel ventilation shaft, getting us one step closer to testing and commissioning. So for the rest of 2025, the thing I'm looking forward to most is the station really starting to take shape. As it stands, it's mostly just a structure, but we're really hitting hard the final finishes. So that's the cladding, the tiles, the roofing. Once that all gets into place, it really starts to feel like a train station rather than just a concrete box.